the silent predator, and the majestic prey, snow leopard and markhor. 1. In the high-altitude regions of Pakistan, where the peaks of the Himalayas, Karakoram and Hindu Kush touch the sky, two extraordinary animals have made these rugged landscapes home for centuries. The snow leopard and the markhor, predator and prey, represent the delicate balance of nature in some of the most remote areas of the world. Both species are not only fascinating in their own outlook, but are also symbols of Pakistan's wild beauty and the need for conservation. The ghost of the mountains, snow leopard. 2. The snow leopard is one of the most elusive animals on the planet. With its thick, spotted coat and piercing blue eyes, it blends perfectly with the Rocky Mountains. Often referred to as the ghost of the mountains, the snow leopard roams at altitudes as high as 5,500 meters, surviving the cold with its dense fur and muscular build. 3. Snow leopards are highly adapted to their mountains habitats. Their wide, fur-covered paws allow them to walk on snow without sinking, and their long tails help them balance on narrow ledges. But despite their strength and agility, snow leopards are rarely seen by humans. This mysterious predator is shy and solitary, avoiding human contact whenever possible. Why are snow leopards rarely seen by humans? 4. The snow leopard's primary prey is the markhor, though it also hunts ibex and wild sheep. As a top predator in the ecosystem, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the natural balance. If the snow leopard were to disappear, it would create a ripple effect, disturbing the populations of other animals and the overall health of the mountain environment. The majestic markhor, a national symbol. Markhor, with its impressive corkscrew-shaped horns, is Pakistan's national animal. Found in the mountainous regions of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan, Balochistan, and parts of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, the markhor is perfectly adapted to the steep and rocky terrain. Its wide hooves help it climb cliffs with ease, while its coat changes with the seasons, providing warmth in winter and shedding in summer. 6. The markhor is a herbivore, feeding on grasses, shrubs, and leaves. Living at altitudes of up to 3,600 meters, these animals are often seen perched on narrow ledges, grazing on vegetation. Males are known for their long, twisted horns, which can grow up to 1.5 meters. What do markhors eat? 7. The name markhor means snake-eater in Persian, a reference to the twisting horns that resemble coiled snakes. The markhor holds a special place in Pakistan's cultural and environmental heritage, but like the snow leopard, it has faced numerous challenges. A fragile balance, predator and prey. 8. The relationship between the snow leopard and the markhor is a classic example of predator and prey. Snow leopards rely on markhors for food, and markhors have evolved to escape these powerful predators by living in steep, rocky areas where they can quickly flee. 9. However, human activities have upset this delicate balance. Poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change have reduced populations of both the species. Markhors have been hunted for their valuable horns, while snow leopards have been killed by herders trying to protect their livestock. Conservation success and future challenges. 10. Despite these threats, both the snow leopard and the markhor have benefited from successful conservation efforts in Pakistan. Organizations such as the Snow Leopard Foundation and the WWF Pakistan have worked tirelessly to protect these species. In areas like Chitral National Park and the Toshi Game Reserve, local communities, in collaboration with the government, have established trophy hunting programs. These programs allow foreign hunters to hunt a limited number of markhors under strict regulations. The revenue generated is used for wildlife conservation and to provide financial incentives for local people to protect the animals. 11. Thanks to the efforts to reduce human-leopard conflict by which an improvement in the numbers of snow leopard has also been seen. By compensating herders who lose livestock due to snow leopard attacks and raising awareness of the species' importance, conservationists have reduced the killings of these endangered cats. How have conservation efforts helped increase snow leopard numbers? 12. Despite these successes, both the species remain vulnerable. Continued efforts are needed to protect their habitats and prevent illegal hunting. By preserving the snow leopard and the markhor, Pakistan is also preserving its natural heritage and the balance of life in its wildest regions. The role of Pakistan's mountain ecosystems. 13. The survival of the snow leopard and the markhor is essential for the health of mountain ecosystems. Snow leopards keep the populations of herbivores like the markhor in check, ensuring that plant life in these areas remains balanced. Markhors, in turn, are critical for maintaining the vegetation of the mountain slopes, preventing overgrazing and soil erosion. 14. Without these two species, the entire ecosystem would be at risk. Protecting them is not only about saving two magnificent animals, but also preserving the very environment they inhabit.